Looking for an easy way to earn some extra cash? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing free app that actually pays you for completing simple tasks. Whether it's sharing your opinion or taking photos, this app rewards you for your time and effort. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to a rewarding side hustle. Join the thousands of people who are already making money with this app and start earning today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch the video now to learn more. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Earn money effortlessly with this revolutionary app, Premise App. Premise App offers a task marketplace that allows you to earn money for simple tasks. Take surveys and explore your city to earn top rewards. Making money with Premise really is that simple. Download Premise App on iOS or Android for free and create an account using your email address to join the Premise contributor community. Browse the task marketplace and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Premise's tasks feature local questions and surveys relevant to your city. Improve your community and earn money by completing simple tasks. Share an opinion or take photos and around your city to earn money on your own schedule. Premise's task marketplace is always growing, which means there are tasks for everyone. Earn money every day by sharing your local knowledge as a Premise contributor. Earn money while you capture what's happening in your community. Earn for sharing insights that reflect your reality, your thoughts, and your community. Choose tasks that fit your lifestyle based on how much time you have. Earn more when you do more. Choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment methods available in your country. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Download Premise App to become a Premise contributor today. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.